Okay, today we're going to be finding exact values of trig functions, and we're going to be finding the exact value of sine of 240. So the first step is going to be to find theta hat, which is the reference angle for 240 degrees. So theta hat, here we go. First, let's draw what it means to have 240 degrees. So if I use a line here, we know this angle, it opens all the way up around to 240 degrees. But the reference angle given by the distance from the x-axis to our terminal side is only going to be 60 degrees past our x-axis. So that means that our theta hat is going to be 60 degrees. What that allows us to do now is to say that this is 60 degrees. And so I'm going to draw my triangle here, knowing now that this is a right triangle that comes down. What I can do is, now that I know that's a 60-degree angle, I can fill in the values for this triangle. So remembering that our special right triangle tells us that the side opposite of the 30-degree angle is 1, the side opposite the 60-degree angle is square root 3, and that would mean that our hypotenuse is 2. So in step 2, we're going to work on finding the actual value of the ratio. So the sine of 240, we remember that sine of theta is equal to y over r, or opposite over hypotenuse. So we go down and we're going to say the sine of 240 degrees is equal to our y value, which is square root of 3, and our r value, which is 2. And we recognize that since we have square root of 3, but it's in quadrant 3, we know that the sign is negative in quadrant 3, so this would be a negative y value. So the negative square root of 3 over 2 is our value for sine of 240.